Crack at it. Understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, crack at. This is a common phrase that you might encounter in conversations, movies, or books. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Firstly, it's helpful to understand words in their literal sense. The word crack often means a break or fracture, like a crack in the wall. However, in many idiomatic expressions, crack takes on a different meaning. Here, it refers to an attempt or a try at doing something. When we say, give it a crack, or have a crack at it, it doesn't mean breaking something. Instead, it means to try or attempt to do something. For instance, I've never played tennis before, but I'll have a crack at it. She gave the puzzle a crack but couldn't solve it. It's a casual and informal way to express the idea of attempting something, especially when you're unsure of the outcome. Understanding a phrase is easier when we see it in context. Here are some examples. 1. Do you think you can fix this computer issue? I'm not sure, but I'll have a crack at it. 2. I've always wanted to learn to dance. I think it's time to give it a crack. 3. John had a crack at the company's management position, but he didn't get it. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in various situations. While crack at is a straightforward phrase, there are some common pitfalls to avoid. It's not about breaking anything, so don't confuse it with causing damage. Don't overuse the phrase. While it's informal and catchy, it may not fit in very formal situations. Crack at emphasizes the attempt, not necessarily the success or failure of the action. And there you have it. The phrase, crack at, is a fun and informal way to talk about attempting something. It's just another example of the rich tapestry of English expressions. We hope this video helped clarify its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep learning and always give new challenges a crack.